Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob.
Alright.
Cooking with.
Alright, guys. Today in this video, we're playing Animal Company with Owen and.
Cooking with Jacob.
Yeah.
Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob.
Shut up! Anyway.
There's no way I just bought that.
There's no way I just bought that.
I'm making some Morocco pancakes.
Yo, what can I buy with 3 thingies?
Yeah, I'm making some Morocco pancakes. Morocco. Okay, so.
I have 3 gems. What can I buy that's really good for this adventure?
Okay, so 3 gems. Ooh. With 3 gems, you could get the where's it? Go into the backpack.
Wait, the backpack, okay.
And then try to find a golden pickaxe. The golden pickaxe is very good. No, it's in weapons. Weapons. It's right here. It's right there. And then you pull it.
It says it's locked. It's a Minecraft one.
You're pointing at that one. It's this one.
I know, this one right
golden.
here. It's not golden.
Yeah, isn't it gold up and down and then diamonds?
Oh yeah, but it says it's locked. Like I can't get it even if I tried.
Okay, how many research points?
Pickaxe 2.
You gotta grab it wherever it is and pull.
No, Owen, it says unlock pickaxe to it. It says.
Yes, you gotta grab the pickaxe and pull it.
Yeah, this is not the. Owen! It wants you to buy this one first. The normal pickaxe.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what I should get. May, what should I get?
Oh, it's 3 now. I only have 2. I want a backpack, but they're all
In the
expensive.
home of the free, in the home of the free.
Alright. Alright, make sure you guys like and subscribe for crazy.
May, there's no way that you're ending it right now.
Then what?
There's no way that you're already ending it.
No, I'm not. So make sure you like and subscribe.
Okay. Airplane!
Alright. He just broke his own eardrums.
You like my hat? My hat?
Oh.
My
No, I
hat?
hate it. Of course, Owen, let's go mining so we can get more things.
Whoa. I'm bulletproof.
Owen, I need a grappler.
Wait, May.
Let's go to the limits.
May. Go into your stash.
Okay. Okay, I'm here. Why is my thing? I think my headset died. Oh my god, bots off me!
You can never get out. Try to get out.
I can't.
I know.
Erwin, get it off. Okay.
What is that?
No shot, I just bought that.
You just bought that with your company coins!
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did!
No, I didn't. I bought it with the other coins.
I'm bulletproof.
I have a great sword, small backpack, and a pickaxe.
I'm bulletproof.
No.
I'm bulletproof.
Can you?
I'm bulletproof.
Let's see, he's scared of the dark, guys. Owen, I want you to stand right here. Owen, come here. Come here. Owen. We're going to see. We're gonna see if you're scared of the dark. Please sit right here. Okay, good boy. Alright, now. It might be a little tight fit. Wait, I'm not ready yet. Wait till I say go. How's it feel? What? Did you just booty butt it away?
I got so scared I teleported it.
Puts himself in it. Alright, here.
Wait, May. Okay, wait, let me show you something. So, I need a box. Okay, I need a box. And then, we need Goopy Whoopie from the Poopy.
How much is the goop?
5.
Never mind.
Bit of whoopity. And then we need the best thing that they've ever added in the game. Boxman! Okay. Then. Okay. And then we do that. And then, you know what we do? Goop! And then we get that. And then you know what we get? Another box fan. And then
The air is gonna go nowhere.
another box fan.
If you pull another fan, I want to punch you.
Another
What
box
the
fan.
Oh, and this isn't gonna go anywhere.
That's what they all say. May! Give it back!
You see how his voice changed? Alright, today we are testing it out.
Give it. I'm bulletproof. Dun, 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 dun.
Get inside of it and then hold on to it.
I'm bulletproof.
Okay.
Okay then.
Please stop. Alright, Owen.
I'm Bowser Jr.
Owen, can you get me a grappling hook? Owen!
Yeah?
Can you give me a grappling hook? Can we go mine? It was really fun. It was fun and funny.
There we go.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, but wait, I just need to add one more thing to this, okay? We're gonna take that one.
Is there no snap turn in this?
Okay, now, come over here.
What is this?
Look at it. Right?
Yeah.
Come here. Hop on.
Oh, wait.
But I need to get some stuff for mining too. Yeah.
Alright.
Do you have a good backpack?
I have one. Look at my back. This is what I have. Oh, and look at my back.
Get that one.
Oh, okay.
Mine hits the batteries though.
Well, I'll charge it.
No. I don't know, we need a gun. And then, we'll have a grappler.
Alright. If you keep moving, oh my. Okay. What has happened?
What do you mean what just happened?
It's glitched for me.
Where are you?
I don't know, I'm beside you, but I'm flying somewhere and I can't see anything.
Can you see me?
I just see pipes, and yeah, you're right, he glitched beside me.
Am I looking at you right now?
You look at the ground.
Oh.
Wait, are we flying somewhere?
No.
Wait, are we walking?
No, I don't know what you're doing.
Oh, I'm here. Oh,
Oh, I hear you.
what just happened?
Come on, man.
Wait, is that the way out?
I'm right here. Yeah,
Wait,
that's
hold on,
the way
I
out.
need to get my stuff out. Alright, I'm coming. Sorry, my thing looks like glitching out. Oh wait, where'd you go? Wait, you mean the sand pit? Oh wait, where's the cave at? Oh. That's why we don't ride boxes everywhere, kids.
No!
What?
I'm getting attacked!
Got stuck in the two seconds we've been here.
I'm
Holy.
getting brutally murdered by a fox. You just break my crystal.
Wait, Owen, where's the mimic at?
I'm bulletproof. Why do you want to?
Because that's where all the most gems are.
No. they're not. How was that crystal?
Really great.
I got it!
Oh, I see it. It's down here. No, wait, this is where the other thing is.
I'm going all the way down. This is where the most crystals are. All the way down.
Please, it's so funny when we're at the mimic. 'Cause you're like, ah! What? I can hear you clicking, but I can't see you. What the frick?
I just took everything. Man, why did you not finish killing it?
I don't know.
Do not look behind you.
Oh no, we're behind me, yeah, so I'm just running. Why are you? Cause you said don't look behind you.
Come on. I said don't look behind you because there was a bunch of cool stuff. See? Did you not like the lava place?
It was hard, but I like the mimic place because there's a bunch of gems there.
Alright, you can have those last time.
What is? Oh.
No, what are you doing?
I see all purple gems.
Just in my face.
Yeah? I don't know. Oh, I'm back here. Mo. I went deeper in. Oh, I see you.
Why'd you go this deep? You're not supposed to go this deep. This is where the spider is.
Alright, how do I turn around? What?
It's coming!
What is that? I can't move! Sorry. circle him. Literally, you're screaming at little tiny monkeys that are attacking you. You're like, ah!
I'm just got chilled out.
Only I was recording then.
Okay, 10 minutes tag on the doogie. Photo the foot on the doogie.
Oh, and I found the mimic place. Come on.
Beatboxing time. Boo tang tang in the
There's a mimic!
There's one behind you.
Oh my goodness. They just love me so much.
Out of all that, I got 0 crystal. Yo, this mimic was not ready for the fight. Bro was jumping. Let's go! I got an MRE. For if I get low, which I'm not low at all. All right. So would you rather go back or keep on inventing? Do you want more money, May?
I need to get stuff in my thing.
Okay. May, don't follow me. I'm gonna go into the lava place and try to get more.
I'm gonna just follow you.
Okay. I just May. I'm trying to get the bread stuff.
Yeah, I need to get that.
And I don't want to die. You feel me?
It's okay, I won't. Because you're the one that died last time.
Yo, he's on the other side of the rock. It's okay, go back to sleep.
It's okay, go back to sleep. I'm gonna just camp outside. You're what?
Get it? Me and I on mine.
Alright, I'm just waiting here.
Oh, these red things can get This is a really fun game.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot I was recording and I was just going on to talk.
What would you rate it?
Right now, probably like an 8. But it's kind of difficult to understand.
Yeah, because I also for like listening to like
Yeah. I wonder who did that. Shut up, Owen. So where are you?
I'm still getting some of my stuff.
I can't because I can't open my bag and have my things in my
Yeah,
hand.
you can. You just need to learn.
I think I just did it, my pickaxe disappeared.
Your book bag disappeared.
No, I reached back with my pickaxe in my hand to get my bag and then I got it, and then my pickaxe disappeared.
Oh, your pickaxe? Oh, it's fine. I can get you another one.
Oh wait, no! I grabbed my bag and the pickaxe is in my hand.
Oh, yeah, because you put it inside of your backpack.
Oh, okay.
Okay, made just a few more and that's the thing I like to do. I like to...
Slam my hand in the things.
May, can you mine some of... Ooh.
I can't get them. might be able to get this one right here in front of the rock.
Uh-oh, my bad.
No!
It's okay. Open it. No, me. Don't move. There you go. Now close it. Close it. Close it. Press the same button. There we go.
No!
Now you're. It's okay. It's okay. Use your grappler.
It fell on the thing.
Oh, okay then. Here, wait. I got it.
Whatever. Thank you. Gosh, I just slammed my hand into my door like 5 times. Wait.
Oh, never mind. My thing isn't filled. I thought it was. Hey, May, there's this gold stuff in here. There's the gold stuff that you need.
Hey, I just got 2 more things in my backpack.
The red thing?
Yeah.
The red thing? Nice, May. Well, what is your weight at? Look at your watch and tell me what's your weight.
Oh wait, this yellow thing right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how much your weight is.
Oh, mine's not even halfway full.
Okay, mine's fully full, but I'm gonna steal mine. Okay, May, so
Where'd you just
come
go?
over here. So if you have the pickaxe, I need you. Right here. Nice! That gave us 2.
It's over there. It's over there.
I know.
There's one under. There's a bunch everywhere.
I know. I'm gonna have to like grapple all the way up here. Hey, whoa, I'm way too heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna have to grab them individually and then just put them in my backpack. May, if you can get any,
I got
Go
3.
ahead. Nice. Tell me if you can get any more.
Yeah, I can get. Oh no, it's full.
No, because this backpack can hold 21.
It says red line all around. The whole thing's red.
Oh, that's just your weight. That doesn't mean that it's full. Here, let me. Where are you?
Right here.
Come here. Come here. Come to me. Okay, open your backpack. What?
I don't know. It's full, bro. My weight is full.
No, it's not.
I was just...
May, if you can walk May! No! Why'd you do that?
I'm not going back again. Okay.
Right there.
Okay, how do I put it back on my back?
Do you think you're done? Do you want to be done?
Yeah. Okay, wait. What button is it to put it back on my back?
You gotta put it up to your back, and I think it would be A. Yeah. All right, now let's head
I
back.
can't. I'm too heavy. I barely.
Get up, grapple up to the ceiling.
I tried, but then I'm too heavy.
Okay. Now what we gotta do is we gotta get over there to that teleporter thing, and then we got crappy.
Where the mimic is?
Or we could go down there and find the teleporter one. Do you want to go down there? It's safer because the spider's a bomb. And he's a wuss.
Ooh, I can barely move.
Right here. Alright, May. Break it. Nice!
Is it on my back?
Yep.
I low-key forgot that we were recording.
I like. Hey, well, at least they showed us. At least we showed them an adventure.
Oh yeah.
Ush.
Why can't I?
Here. Do you want me to?
I got this.
Dang, you got like 6. I have like 21.
Alright, I'm pressing the buttons.
No, I'm not. I don't have mine in there yet. Dropping them. Alright, May.
You dropped something metal in there. You dropped some.
Doesn't matter.
You dropped some
Doesn't
chips.
matter. Alright. Do the honors. You did. Nice. I mean,
20K.
It's not that much for me because I have 6 million, but that helps.
Wait, can we go back down there now?
You want to go mining again?
Yeah.
Did you like mining those red rocks?
Yeah.
You want to go mine them again?
Yeah. But aren't they all gonna be gone since we left?
No, they'll regenerate.
Can we go in the forest? I want to see like what's in there.
Yeah, and
I'm in. I'm actually not in.
What would you rate that?
Oh, 10. Alright, Owen, there's a big gorilla over there. Friendly reminder, don't touch it. You're running straight towards it, aren't you? I'm by the pond. Yo, how did I get past the...
oh no.
There you are, Owen. Oh, shoot. Yo, how did we get past here? Owen, how do we get past here?
What do you mean? How do you get?
Isn't there like a different way?
All right. So get up on the ceiling.
I am.
Oh no. All right, now grapple on the ceiling. Where are you?
Right here behind you.
Okay, now let's go over here. Into here.
Where I lost you.
Over
Oh, I
here.
found you.
And into here.
Oh yeah, I know this place. They hate light. Wait, I lost you.
How did you get a ray gun? Who is this guy?
Wait, we've been in here for like the past like 2 hours. How long have you been in here, my bro?
I checked it after that other blue guy left and he wasn't in here anymore. He was joining back while we were mining.
Well, at least we can help him.
Wait, ask what channel he's on.
Yo, what? I don't think he's talking at all.
Can't you look at his watch and I'll tell you?
Alright. So what are you trying to do now? Really, my bro?
Yo, what channel are you on? But did he just try to kill us?
That wasn't me. Alright, I think he has to join a different code because we're in here. Red light, green light, let's go. May, red light, green light. Over here.
I'm right beside you, Owen.
Not me. Ah! I did it!
Well, there goes all our light.
What light?
The light of red light, green light. All I see is Sustain's eyes.
What do you mean?
I don't. Over here. Okay.
Alright. New adventure! Oh no.
This way?
Oh no.
Where are you? Oh, I see you. What's this way?
The haunted mansion. So there's a girl in there that likes to be creepy weepy, and what she does is she goes and then she doesn't like people looking at her. And also I don't think she likes light.
Alright, let's go.
So let's head on. Ow.
Oh, heck no!
She's up there. Just mind our business. Don't be gay.
I don't see her.
We need to find a key. Okay, she's not here.
What does that sound?
Don't look.
Where?
Anywhere. Just look at the ground. Look at the ground. Come on. Oh, landmine! I'm stuck. Okay, don't go in there. What?
I don't know, I'm just terrified. What the heck was that?
It was a bomb. It's fine. You need to face your fears. Man up.
Just
you're
put
not
a man up when I'm a girl.
The key. Let's go.
I can't see. I can't see.
I got the key, man.
Okay, come on.
We're good.
It just floated right through your face. Hey, there's a key. Do I grab it too?
What? There's a key for you there?
Yeah, do I grab it?
Yes, grab it.
Wait, hold on. Wait, Owen! Do I need my pickaxe?
What?
I lost my pickaxe.
No, you don't. Well, you kind of. Come on. It's fine.
God, that was
And let's go.
terrifying.
Alright, we're safe in here.
Why'd you just go back in the haunted house?
What do you mean?
Come on.
Where'd my key just go?
That's what happened. May you use the key for the door. Come
Oh.
on. May just don't float out in the open, okay? Because if you do, you'll start thinking.
Wait, where'd you go?
Down this hole. Grapple onto these.
My pickaxe dropped.
It's okay. Grapple onto this. Well, you can't anymore.
What is that sound?
This is the mansion's heart.
I'm getting hit by something.
Grapple onto the crystal. Not. At least these gems don't fly away like the lava crystals. You heard that, right? Down here. Okay.
Yeah.
Be careful. How did you hear the?
Yeah, I hear it. I just have to let something know.
Ready? What we're gonna do is we're gonna have to launch down there. Wait, is it down there? Yes, we're gonna have to launch down there into that hole, okay? You see it? Go! Hurry!
I did it!
Same. Alright. It's okay if you go into the portal.
I'm on the tree.
Alright, good. Well, I'm gonna mine this. can get some.
Are we under the heart?
We're below the heart. Oh, this stuff flies away.
Oh, I fell all the way down. Wait, where am I? Is it haunted? Oh, Owen, I see the portal up there. Or is that a heart? I actually don't know.
Yeah, this is the old thing.
Hey, where's the teleporter at?
Where's Waldo? Okay. My thing is almost maxed out. This is another adventure, but what it used to be is that here.
Gosh, I am so bad. I just died.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that doesn't work in this.
Do I hold
It's
any
okay,
button to
man.
respawn?
Yeah, just respawn. I'll go on. I'll be.
Okay, do you want me to get off so I can charge my headset? Oh, guess who's on my headset charger? Alright. And then, alright guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe for more awesome content. Ding ding dong dong.
I'm back.
Okay. We're almost at 200 actually. We're at 120. That's really close.
Yeah, a quarter of the way. Well, kinda a quarter. It's almost a quarter. All right. Oh, May, you want to see something? Hold up. Okay, wait. First, grab one of those blue crystals.
What has happened?
You're upside down. I want to become upside down.
Wait, I don't want to hold it anymore. Okay.
I'm upside down. Hi, me.
No, you're not. You're staying straight up.
Yeah, but for me, I'm looking at you upside down. Oh, grab it.
Alright, start it up, Owen, while I'm in here.
I can't.
Hey, hey, hey! Alright. Drop it, Owen, drop it. Alright, let's go. Alright, start it.
I'm just gonna tell you it's gonna be really low.
Did I just turn the coins? Oh, I died.
Let's go! 4,000! 4,100.
Oh, I died. 24K. Alright, do you want to end the video right here?
Yeah.
Alright. Make sure you guys like and
Wait,
subscribe.
wait. We need to do classic. Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. Remember to pancakes! Bye.